Hey there, YouTube fam! Are you tired of capturing those unforgettable moments on your iPad Pro only to find out later that your photos and videos look like they were taken during a snowstorm? Well, you're in the right place because today I'm going to show you how to wave goodbye to blurry photos and videos on your iPad Pro once and for all. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button. Let's dive into the first step to fix those blurry photos and videos on your iPad Pro. Do you have a case, an accessory, or a film that's covering the camera or flash? If you do, that could be causing your photos and videos to come out all blurry or distorted. Sometimes these items can interfere with the camera or flash functions of your device, leading to those frustrating blurs and distortions. So it's crucial to remove them and give your camera a clear view. Let's tackle the second step in banishing those blurry photos and videos from your iPad Pro. It's time to get rid of any dirt or debris that might be clouding up your camera lens. For this step, all you need is a trusty microfiber cloth. It's soft, lint-free, and gentle on your lens, ensuring that you won't cause any damage while cleaning. Gently wipe the lens in a circular motion, making sure to cover the entire surface. Avoid using abrasive materials or liquids, as they can harm the lens coating. Have you ever tried capturing a perfect shot but your hands just couldn't stay still? Well, shaky hands can lead to blurry images, especially in low light conditions. That's where a tripod or stabilizer comes to the rescue. These handy accessories provide rock-solid stability, ensuring your iPad Pro stays perfectly steady while you work your photographic magic. Sometimes the best solution to technical issues is as simple as a good old-fashioned restart. A quick restart can work wonders, clearing out any temporary glitches that might be causing those blurry photos and videos. It's a simple, yet effective troubleshooting step. To restart your device, just press and keep holding the power button and either of the volume buttons until you see slide to power off. Slide it to turn off your device. Then press and hold the power button again until you see the Apple logo. Ensuring your iPad Pro has the latest software updates is crucial. These updates often include bug fixes and improvements that can enhance your camera's performance and help eliminate those frustrating blurry shots. To update your iPad Pro software, go to Settings, General, Software Update, and tap Download and Install if there is an update available. If you've tried all troubleshooting steps without success, it's best to get professional camera repairs or replacement done. Cracked lens elements, failed autofocus mechanisms, or optical issues will require repair. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable tech tips and tricks. Your support keeps us going, and we're always here to help you make the most of your devices.